Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nique. I'm here with a really cool new product, which I hope you excuse the noise. I am at a real RV center, so there's some diesel engines running here. But in any case, I have a set of x-chocks, which we've had for a while for this RV, and they're made of that kind of standard galvanized sheet metal stuff, and I'm kind of seeing them start to decay a little bit. So I saw these, and I really like the idea of them being painted because that really protects the metal and it's going to keep it in better condition over the course of time where it's being stored outdoors and in the wilds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this, I'm going to put it on the trailer, I'm going to let you know how it works compared to others I've used, and then I'm going to give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know what I think of them. All right, let's check it out, see what they look like. I haven't seen them yet. Oh wow. Okay, so I'm totally blown away. Look, it comes with a set of nice gloves, which makes life easier. I find it a little entertaining that they're white gloves, like they're gonna be white gloves for 2 seconds. Let's see, we got an owner's manual, comes with a tool. Not sure what you need a tool for, but comes with it. Let's see what else we got. Okay, so this is one of the x-chocks itself. Ooh, this was another thing that I really liked about it. Let me get it out, I'll show you. So the ratcheting mechanism is actually built into it. So you don't have to keep and have a wrench around. The other kits all come with this wrench, but you gotta take it on and off every single time you do it. I really like the idea that it's permanently connected, and then once you have it on the RV, this just folds down and out of the way. I think that's a brilliant idea. Let's actually put it on, make sure it works. Let's go try it out. Okay, so I thought it'd be fun to put on their little white gloves, but look how short the fingers are. I mean, yeah, I can use them and stuff, but like my knuckles here, it's kind of funny, whoever came up with these. All right, let's put this down there. I'll show you one thing which is totally standard. I run into it all the time with these units. So I have this fender flare here, so I can't use this the way it's conventionally set up to be with the handle. I have to turn mine upside down. Doesn't affect anything, just telling you. So you want to get these as centered as you can. Apply even pressure between the two, right? So one of the big advantages to an x-chock system like this is forget the fact that it will keep my trailer from rolling away. But I will tell you from experience, I honestly don't exactly know how it works, but it definitely makes the interior of the RV much more stable. It definitely wobbles a lot less when you're walking around. Not as much as like a full leveling system, but this does make a significant difference with your life inside the vehicle. Okay, that was the whole installation. It worked perfectly. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, as I said before, I do really love, number one, I didn't even think the painted look would look better than the bare metal, but I bought it for the utility of the painted, but the painted look is much better than the bare metal. I love this handle and the fact that this remains on the vehicle. I think that's certainly awesome. I think there's only one thing I could do. This is definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score, because that will make my life significantly easier. I really appreciate that. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.